Hi, my name is Robert Hanley, and I'm presenting for Gallery Teachers Masterclass Series on the topic of teaching online, a retrospective guide. The reason it's retrospective is because we've been doing this for a while now, as we've got used to teaching online, which has been a whole new and challenging area for language schools, for teachers, for directors of studies, for administrators, for trainers. I'll be aiming to summarize our journey along the way and talk about some of the things we did right, some of the things we did wrong. There were more of those. And perhaps some of that would be useful as you go on the same journey or look to improve on what you're already doing with teaching online. I very much think that we can learn a lot from each other, sharing ideas, sharing experiences. Online teaching is a new and challenging thing, and we're all finding our feet with that. So I do think collaboration and listening to each other is a really good way to help that process along.